We Tokan-en, who have been watching and passing on the tradition of Kyoto with a history of more than 1,000 years, would like to introduce the process of building a stone lantern, known as Ishitoro. IKEKOMI Style Ishitoro is a type of Ishitoro that has been used for a long time along with the tradition of Japanese garden. First, we will introduce the parts of the Ishitoro. Stem stone, sao. Central stone, chudai. Light spot stone, hibukuro. Roof stone, kasa. Top stone, hoju. Following this introduction of the parts, we will introduce the tools, brief process of building a Ishitoro, and detailed process of building a Ishitoro. Tools needed for the installation. Shovel. This is used for digging a hole at where the Ishitoro will be built. Measure. This is used for measuring sizes. Round sling and tow track. This is used for lifting parts of the Ishitoro. Leveler. This is used for measuring if the Ishitoro is perpendicular to the ground. Stick. This is used for hardening the ground. Gunny sack. This prevents damages on the stones and assists carrying the stones. Wood. Makes the process easier by placing them under the Ishitoro beforehand. Make sure to wear a helmet at all times during the process. Now let's watch the brief process of building the Ishitoro. We suggest you to work with 3 or more people. The process will take around 20 to 30 minutes. Let's take a closer look at each process. Choose the best place to build a Ishitoro. Determine how deep the hole needs to be. The depth of the hole shall be a little shorter than the sum of chudai, hibukuro, kasa, and hoju. Measure the diameter of the sao. The width of the hole shall match the diameter of the sao. The next process is the installation of a sao. Set a round sling around the sao. Make sure to leave some space between the round slings instead of setting them on the edges. Use a tow track to lift the sao, then slowly insert it in the hole. Set a leveler to see the angle of the sao. It is perpendicular when the bubble stops at the center. Adjust in order to make sao perpendicular by adding soil with the shovel and hardening the soil with the stick. Be careful of the length of sao and try to follow the measurement. The next process is the installation of chudai. Set a round sling around the chudai. Using wood would make this process easier. Use a tow track to lift the chudai, then slowly place it on the sao. Check if the Ishitoro is perpendicular to the ground. The next process is installation of HIBUKURO. Set a round sling around the HIBUKURO. Make sure to set the round sling through inside of the HIBUKURO. Setting the round sling outside of the HIBUKURO may damage the HIBUKURO. Lift it with the tow track. Slowly place it on the chudai. Check if the Ishitoro is perpendicular to the ground. The next process is the installation of a kasa and hoju. Set a round sling around the kasa. Lift it with the tow track. Slowly place the kasa on the hibukuro. Lastly, place hoju on the top. Now you have yourself authentic traditional Ishitoro at your garden.